Oh my god. Oh my god. Aaron, how's it going? Thank you for that chunky raid right when I start. Are you guys in ads? I literally clicked the make ads happen button 30 seconds before you raided. Welcome everybody. Jeez. What a start. Let me do my thing. Turgis, what is up? A butt tuba. Thank you for playing the demo. I'm reading your comments. I'm gonna fix these issues ASAP. Bootat, what is up? Also, 15 stream streak. Turgis, that's awesome. You guys know each other. You're friendos. That's nice. I like friendos. Friendos are good. Also, Ghibli Magic. Hi, welcome in. Aaron, how was your stream? How was the rest of your stream? Small Block Boy, how's it going? Fizzbuzz. Yes, ads. Sorry about the ads. Ads are done. Okay. Welcome in everybody. Shout out to Aaron, even though you're all from Aaron's stream. Welcome in everybody. Nope, you can't just shout. You have to shout out. There we go. I haven't streamed in a few days, so I'm always rusty. I'm forever rusty. Yeah, what did you get up to? Last I saw was some particles on cards. The design for the card thing didn't quite pan out. We had a good workout. Got a little bit of the actual functionality going too. Nice. Actual functionality is fantastic. Yifweed, how's it going? Forever Rusty Venture. Yeah. I love Venture Time. Yeah, so if you don't know who I am, my name's Andrew, aka Booyah Grandma. I'm working on this game called Alpine Lake. It's a cozy Innkeeper-Sim. I've just been hunting bugs for the last month. Released the demo 2 months ago, and I've added a couple new features, but I've mostly been bug fixing. And every time someone joins the Discord and drops a load of bugs on me, I gotta fix them. Be right back. Need food. Aaron, enjoy your food. Thanks so much for the raid. So yeah, welcome in everybody. Should I just get started? All right. What were the latest bugs I was going to work on? Tuba just posted a load of them. I love when people find spelling mistakes. Those are the most annoying because I never see them. No music when the game started. I don't know why. Right-clicking with the sledgehammer in town causes a lag spike, 5 seconds. Okay. Everyone's been having that issue. I'm going to fix that first. That should be an easy one. And at the same time, everyone gets to see the game. I did a naughty thing today. I've never played a game on stream before, except for other people's games. But I added a new channel redeem. I added a new channel redeem that will force me to play a video game. One video game. It's probably a terrible idea because it's really intense, but I don't know. I need that in my life right now. I don't play enough games. Anihan, thank you for the hydrate. Okay. So there's a lag spike. There's a lag spike when you use the sledgehammer anywhere outside of your inn. But yeah, the game, it's an Innkeeper-Sim, life sim game, kind of like Stardew Valley, but you run an inn. So you start out the game, you have this big property with a rundown house that you need to demolish. You can demolish it with the sledgehammer, like so. But if you're outside your inn, let's say the visitor center, and you try and use the sledgehammer. Oh, God, that's why. Whoa, what is it doing? Whoa. What the hell? Something asks to rebuild the nav mesh. Rebuilding the nav mesh. Whoa. Gee. Foul. Foul. How are you? Welcome in. Thank you for the raid. Shout out to Foul. I just started 10 minutes ago. Started out with a raid from Errand. Now a raid from Stream Boss. Stream Boss, how was your stream? Legurda. Thank you for the follow. Welcome in. Casper. Buzzy. Walby. Get rated Unity nerd. I know. I never thought I never thought I would feel so alone as a Unity dev. Unity is like the most used one, but on Twitch, not the case. Or at least I don't hang out with the other Unity devs. I don't know. It's just a small bunch of us. Foul, how was your stream? Welcome in. If you guys don't know me, my name is Andrew. I'm working on this game called Alpine Lake. It's a cozy Innkeeper-Sim, life sim game. If you don't know Foul, please make sure to click the follow button on Foul's heart. It's gone now, but if you missed it, click his name and click follow, please. He's my stream boss. You have to. We did nothing but gabble. Proton Fig, how's it going? Yeah, it's been a few days. My last stream was Friday, and when I go more than a couple of days, I always forget how to do everything. I've been messing around in Godot for an entire day. That's nice. That sounds like a nice, comfortable day. Ooh, okay. What is going on now? Something asked to rebuild the nav mesh. What did? Demo controller ended. Oh, the demo controller has to rebuild the nav mesh. That's why everything lags like crazy. Because it tries to rebuild the nav mesh in the scene you're in. I can't have that. All right, so I know the fix to this. The stupid logic of the game is enter demolition mode. Check to see if you're allowed to be in demolition mode. Then, if you're not allowed, exit demolition mode. So I do all this code when I really should be checking if you can enter demolition mode. Let's start there. Ended up willing into existence a Garfield Game Boy fan game. Like a game, like a 1-bit Game Boy game or Game Boy Color. Yo, the pacifist, 20 stream streak. Damn. How are you? Getting sick of math this morning? Yeah. Math is hard. Math is too hard. I like basic math. I like algebra. Anything beyond algebra, nah. All right. This should be a really simple fix. So how do you enter the demolition mode? Let's see. I think it has something to do with the item itself. Tool item. No. Decoration item. No. Base item? No. Where does this happen? Player state. On use item. Decoration item. Interaction. Use equipped item. Use equipped item. Use request. Oh my god, triple raid! Coding with strangers. What is up? Seriously. Jesus Christ. Yo, how is your stream coding with strangers? Hero! Does it feel like someone is watching you? Yes. Feels exactly like that. Steal your shoes. How's it going? 3 times the rate, 3 times the fun. Yeah. 3 times the sweat. Jesus. Yeah, it's only been 15 minutes. It's crazy. What did you get up to today? Welcome in, Raiders. If you don't know who I am, my name is Andrew. I'm working on a cozy Innkeeper-Sim, Alpine Lake. Listen, I haven't played the trailer yet, and after 3 raids, I think I should at least play the trailer. This is what I'm working on. You ready? This is what we're working on. Yo, science! Fresh boy Will, how's it going? But yeah, it's kind of like Stardew Valley. It's a little like The Sims, as you can see, with the building. It's decorating. The day-night cycle. It's flower arranging. Campfires. Farming. There's a dog. You can ride a bike. Pet the dog. You can fish. It's got it all. It's got everything you'd expect from a life sim game. Bug hunting on my bot. I'm having a party on stream, hopefully this Saturday. That's cool. That's cool. What's the bot gonna do? Or what does the bot do? So yeah, that's me. That's what I'm working on. Nice to meet you all. Feel free to wishlist Alpine Lake. There's a demo. There's a free demo. You can play the demo. Yo, Belint, how the hell are you? Add song requests for me to play on You play the guitar? That's cool. Yeah, so today I'm working on some bugs. Just some bugs, and oh yeah, I wanted to show off a feature I finished from Friday stream, because on Friday stream I started implementing the lake turning to ice. The lake turns to ice, and then you can walk on the ice. And I finished it. I finished it like on Saturday. I spent like an hour just messing around. I missed streams, so 4 hours of just talking crap with friends. Sometimes after a long time away, like I don't even feel like working on the game. I just want to like chat. But I have to force myself because I didn't do any work on it yesterday. I didn't do any work on it Sunday, so gotta do work. Gotta get some stuff done. How long have you been coding and programming for? I don't know. I started in high school. That was like 20 years ago. I'm 38. I've been coding since probably, I'd say college. So like 15 years. All right, so here we have a pond, right? If I change the season to winter, pond freezes over, you can walk on the pond. And we have ice walking. This was really fun to make. Oh my god. Sometimes there's just very simple. I think the reason why it was so much fun is because I got it to work pretty quickly. And I don't know. It's just fun. It's fun to make new mechanics. I even kind of like the shader. I need some more like glinty ice stuff. But I like how this like I don't know. It kind of looks like ice. Maybe it's a little too bright around the edges. Steal your shoes. And Kara, thank you for the follows. Welcome in. But yeah, this is what I was working on Friday. Finished it up over the weekend. And let's get back to that bug. So that bug is happening everywhere. This runtime nav mesh builder. Every scene I go into, it's like freaking out. I think it's because, yeah, look at that. What? Yo, Will, thank you for the follow. All right, let me follow that. Let me follow that like that coding trail. I was trying to figure out. Also, Hero, what is this party you're throwing? What is a stream party? What are you gonna do on this party? 38, yeah. I'm wondering instead of rebuilding the nav mesh, what I do is I have items mark the nav mesh as dirty. And then only at certain times do I rebuild the nav mesh. Only if the nav mesh is quote unquote dirty. A way to support strangers? You mean like chat? Also, I gotta get rid of this sizzling. It's so bright out. There we go. I'm 21 and I've been a self-taught programmer since 2016. That's a good start. You're on your way. Wait. What? Wait. I can't do the math. I can't do the math of when you started. But I know for a fact you're gonna do great. Can you just make a nav mesh obstacle? Yes, but some things I can't. And I'll tell you the reason why is because so the reason why I rebuild the nav mesh is because I need a second story. I want you to be able to build a second floor. And for you to only use nav mesh obstacles, that's all you can do is take away. So I wanted to put a staircase and flooring on the second floor, and you can't do that with obstacles. So you have to rebuild it. That's why I did that. But in scenes other than the inn, I can probably figure that out. I don't know. I made partner on YouTube. So I'm doing a Rocksmith guitar stream. Every song will add 5 minutes to the timer. Every sub will add an hour. Yo, that's awesome. Yeah, I used to be obsessed with Guitar Hero. I was pretty good at Guitar Hero. Like, I was able to beat what was that? What was that Dragons song? I forget. What was that crazy song? Something to do with dragons. But I was able to beat that on expert. Trogdor through the fire? No, it wasn't Trogdor. I forget what it was. But yo, that's awesome. Rocksmith is like the one where you play a real guitar, right? That's like a real legitimate skill. Yo, Anderson, Kev. Starting my morning at the best place on the internet. It's okay. Good morning, Kev. 21 and taking my first coding class in college. Nice. You're also off to a great start. Also, yeah, YouTube partner. Seriously, that's awesome. Congrats. Dragon Force. That was it. Dragon Force. Yifweed. That was it. That was the one. I remember beating that on expert. I think I only did it maybe once or twice, and then I just stopped playing. I'm like, I did it. I'm done. Never played again. If I ever did go back and play, like, if I ever found myself in the Dave and Buster's in Manhattan for some reason, and I walked up to the Guitar Hero booth out of nostalgia, it would hurt my hand. Like I wouldn't be able to play. Too old now. Thanks to strangers like me, no way. I mean, I guess if I'm a person on the internet, and as we all are. So fine, you're welcome. Sure, you're welcome. Everyone, make sure to go check out Coding with Strangers YouTube. Can you drop the link? Drop that link. I invited friends over the weekend, and we played it as a band. It was the best. Oh, that's awesome. Oh wait, Lagarde was getting started on Teenhood by the time I started programming. Making that one simple. I see. There it is. Everyone make sure to click sub. Oh, I saw this. Wait a minute, I saw this. Right? I'm already subbed. So yeah, look at that. What does partner mean on YouTube? Does that mean you get to monetize? I'm watching an ad. Why am I watching an ad? Guys, make sure to sub. Do it up. I gotta save that. Yo, that gamer. How's it going? Turgus, we're the same age. I'm 38 and just made my first game and still don't know how to code. Turgus, that's a great start also. I've been saying to all the youngins that they're starting early, and that's great, but you know what? 38 is a great start too. Just starting is great, right? I came from Coding with Strangers stream. Really cool and super nice guy. Yeah, he is. Started like 2 years ago in Python. I'm 31 now. Python's a good start. Python is a good place. It's a good like beginner. It's not even a beginner programming language. It's really complex and high level, but I don't know. It's just like easier to digest in the beginning. I said it just so you would say that. You tricked me. That ad, yeah, I know. Sorry. Well, now that your channel's monetized, me watching the ad is like it's worth something to you. Graduated high school in 04. If we're the same age, then I bet a lot of our numbers are aligned. Yeah, 04. Half the people in chat were not even born yet. Guaranteed. No, that's not true. Maybe like 10% of you not born yet. We don't talk about what's on the show. Ugh. Someone joked the other day. They were like, "It's funny watching you look through your code like you've never seen it before." Yeah, I wrote this. I wrote this code sometimes up to 4 years ago, and I never remember where I put stuff. So when you interact with a decoration item, it takes you into a state, and why can't I figure out what state that is? All right. Decor sledgehammer. Where do I choose what? Here it is. Activate controller on use. Activate controller on use. Activate controller on use. There we go. Kara must be the state of confusion. Yeah, I'm always in one. I graduated high school in 2021. That's a rough time to graduate high school. Right in the middle of the pandemic. I feel bad for anyone becoming an adult, right now, or anyone that joined the workforce during the pandemic, anyone that started going to college, anyone in school during the pandemic. I legit feel bad. Should I feel bad? Like I feel like it's a rough time. The world's just like not the same place. Seems way harder. I should feel bad, right? Yeah, I definitely feel bad. Pandemic was horrible. Yeah. I recall having fiddled with Unity stuff whenever I was making a melon loader mod. What's a melon loader? Just pretty cool. Is melon loader a thing that I should know? Pandemic was horrible, yeah. Those new magnets are super cool. I feel bad for anyone joining workforce ever. That's true. That was a good one. Yo, can I just give a quick shout out to Cyan Streams? Cyan Streams, Balint. I was lurking on your stream the whole time, but I didn't say anything. Oh, I did want to ask you a question, actually. I wanted to ask you a question. My wife sent me this Instagram that I don't know if it was true or not, but it was just some like random tweet or something, and someone was like, "My son put a piece of Trix cereal in an ant farm to feed the ants, and instead of eating it, they dug up their dead and they buried the Trix in dead ants. What is that about?" And for those of you that are confused, Science Stream is a scientist who streams and it specializes in ants. So this is a very relevant question. I need to know what is going on with the Trix cereal and burying it with ant corpses. The brain rot's going to impact us for centuries? Yeah. Yeah, it is. Melon Loader is basically an external modding app for Unity games. Oh, I did not know that. So is that how you decompile games and look at the code? Is that what you use? I think I know this from watching his stream. Let me know. Tell me, Turgus. He might be lurking. All right, I'm close. Inventory item. Wait, what? Wait, what? Where do I use this? Ski Pays. Welcome in. Thank you for the follow. How are you? I don't understand. Oh, the inventory does it. That's so weird. That's such a weird place to do this. The inventory does it. I used Melon Loader to make a hard mode mod for a Unity game I love playing. Oh, nice. What's the consensus on Melon Loader? Do people appreciate it? Or is it like a... Do people... Or is it... Can it be used for nefarious reasons? So I fired this request. Request player control. The player control system requests the control. Okay. Okay. Yeah, this is going to be a big refactor. I remember this is why I let it do what it does. I let it fully enter the system and then I have to back out really fast. It's because I wanted this to be I wanted to keep this script at 147 lines. I wanted to keep it very clean. But I think I need an extra layer that stops you from entering this controller. Yo, Arrow! There's an acid that Balint said is released when they die. They can paint it on ants that are alive, and they will carry them and put them in with their dead. Must be an ingredient with the cereal. Oh. That's interesting. Yeah, I'm curious to see if you got that right. Back with cereal, yo, Aaron! What a ridiculous coincidence. We were just talking about cereal. What kind of cereal? If you say you're eating Trix cereal, I'm raiding out instantly. We're raiding someone because the stream was not meant to happen. I have no idea. I've seen that Melon Loader has notable modding community around games like Phasmophobia and RimWorld. Yeah. Honey Nut Cheerios. Okay, that's a good one. All right. So you know what I'm going to do? Instead of stopping the controller from working here, I'm going to go a step further and stop it here. That means the inventory needs to know a lot of stuff. I don't like that either. Oh, I can stop it here. Stop use item, right? Stop use item. Use request. Inventory slot. Player selector. Here. I will stop it here. I already know everything I need to know at the player selector level. Or the player state level. Okay. Alright, we got this. Any mono game? I see. Mod loaders are forever madness to me. Why? I mean, yeah, they seem to be like decompilers or something. Yo, computer! How's it going? Computer, I need to know, are you still sick? Are you still not feeling well? It's been like 2 months, 3 months. Uses a DLL as a doorstop and injects code. That's no idea. I just make game. I don't know how anything works. Computer will be the first to tell you. I have no idea what I'm doing here. I don't know anything about computer science. I don't know anything about computers. All I know is that I make game. Okay, here we go. I need to figure out new rules for entering these decoration modes. I think I just need a checkbox like allow outside of inn. Simple as that. Simple as that. And that's going to be on the item. Inventory item. Public bool. Allow controller outside in. Outside in. That doesn't make any sense. But whatever. I understand what it means. Yo, Dragon Spirit. Tired AF. Missed my stream last night because we had visitors, so I'm fine. Could be better. Well, I'm glad you had visitors, and I'm sorry you missed your stream. Who needs to learn the actual stuff behind computers? Just make game? Yeah, exactly. Just make game. TBC/S. I don't know what any of that means. I don't even know what... Guys, you gotta be gentle with me. My knowledge of acronyms and shortened words are just abhorrent. YouTube is great though. Can we make days longer, please? Just like 28 hours or so. I need some more time to work on my game. Yeah. I always make the joke to my wife, like, can't we just use Centurion time from Men in Black? She never gets it. Even though I make the joke 40 times a year, she never remembers that it's from Men in Black. Can we talk about how good Men in Black was? Basically just means it knows that a certain code or DLL will get called. So it gets called instead. I see. Basically means I didn't have time to work on my game this week. Not at all. That sucks. I hate weeks where you just get nothing done. I don't know /S. No. Is that like secret? I just looked it up. Oleic acid is what is released on the dead ants, and that triggers the ants to throw them in with the dead. Wow, that's so bizarre. To clarify, TBC, to be clear. Sarcasm. Oh, God. Can't believe you need to explain that to me. Made me feel so old. Automod! Oh my God, Automod. That's the best. We need an MIB channel redeem. The people demand it? Maybe. Yo, Automod. I just had to permit the term fatty and animal. Oleic acid is a monounsaturated omega-9 fatty acid. It blocked that because of the word fatty. That's horrible. Found in various animal and vegetable sources. Incredible. Dragon. I kid. Yeah, you kid. Careful. We should be good to any significant other that supports our desires to make game. Yeah, she's very supportive. She was actually helping me write a quest over the weekend. It was late on Saturday night, and we were in the middle of... Oh, no, it wasn't late yet. We were in the middle of, like, getting home from the day and going out for dinner, and we had, like, an hour and a half to kill. I'm like, hey, you want to help me write dialogue? And she's like, maybe. What do you need? And I described it to her, and she's like having all fun, giving me good ideas. So she helped me make a quest. Yo, Caveman Crafting! How are you? You know what would be cool with these lazy village games is if we connect the NPCs to a local LLM, but with a bit of memory for handling interactions, chats, and players. There's like a Unity verified plugin for AI chatbots, like for AI NPCs in games. I don't want to do that. I don't like that idea. I don't, because it's not like authentic. Because it might make something emergent But I don't know. It's like, I guess I'm more trying to make like a storytelling game. I'm not trying to like make a world. I guess if you're trying to make a world that doesn't really have an end point, that's cool. I don't know. I'm sure it has its place. It definitely has its place. What the fuck? I like how you got auto modded asking asking why auto mod. Yeah, I got auto mod on real high. Have you seen that AI game where you're a vampire and you have to type convince the AI characters to allow you in the house so you can feed on them? That's pretty funny. That's a good, see, that's a great use of AI. That's a great use of AI in games. The irony of your message. Yeah, that was ridiculous. They had an AI study where they gave a bunch of agents their own personality and they were like this they were in this virtual town. Yeah, I saw an RPG use it. I saw an RPG at least testing it, and it looked interesting, but what's the, as long as it like drives the plot, as long as like it doesn't say anything weird to take you out of the experience, I'm sure there's a way to do it. Can't wait till we get actual creative uses for AI and not just the same, but AI to be worse. Yeah. It was cool because they were organizing parties and stuff. You mean the AIs were organizing parties? It's kind of interesting. Yo, Virtue. How are you? All right. So I got this Boolean. Allow controller outside of in. The player state is just going to check. Use request. Use equipped item if. Ooh, you know what I'll do? Inventory. I might just take this code out of the inventory. Why does the inventory use the item? It's kind of weird, right? Use item. So what does the inventory do? It uses the item. If it's null, we back out, right? Okay. If it's usable, or if it's not usable, we back out. If it requires energy, we use the energy. If it is consumable, we consume it. If it activates a controller, we activate the controller. Whoops. And then we return true. Use item. What else listens for use request? Inventory slot listens for it. Why? No, it doesn't. Only the inventory listens for it. Okay. I think what I'm going to do, instead of throwing this event, I'm just going to call that function. I'm just going to call use item myself. Okay. So in the player state, instead of triggering this long event, because all it does is the inventory listens for it and then tries to do it. So I'm just going to, I have the inventory right here. Use item. Look at that. I can do that. I have to give it the item name and the slot index. Okay. I have all that stuff right here. Yo, Virtue, 7-stream streak. Thanks for streaking with me. For my hard mode mod I spoke of earlier, I hooked it with another library to get useful memory efficient equivalents of arrays. How does that make it hard? Granted, that now meant I had to package the library with said hard mode mod. Wait, what? I don't think I followed you there. Remember, I don't know how computers work. I only make game. Gotta remember that. Inventory. Use item. Event item, event index, event slot. Okay. I got this. I got this. Event item is equipped item. Event index is hotbar inventory dot current inventory slot dot index. And then the slot is the current slot. Okay. So here, I'll say if equipped item dot only, wait, in? Inside in, no, outside in. Allow controller outside in. So if we don't allow the controller outside in end, we are outside the end. So how do I figure out where we are? Where are we? Location system dot instance dot current location equals locate. Wait, I think I have a thing. Is in hotspot in location. Current location equals location dot instance in location. Okay. If we don't allow it outside the in, and the location does not equal the in, return. Oh, and equipped item dot activate controller on use does not equal default. None. Player controller dot type dot avatar player controller type. Don't I have a default or a none? I guess not. Yoga piano in manager. Y camera. Assign room. Yeah, avatar. Okay. Because if it equals avatar, that means it's has nothing to do with loading controller systems. Unix 31. Thank you for the follow. Welcome in. Madness Project Nexus. I never heard of that one. Yo! Siren Dev. Thank you for the raid. Welcome in. Yeah, that's 4 raids today. That's crazy. Jedum! How are you? Unix, I'm a software developer too, but I couldn't figure out how to make a game. I wish I could learn. Greetings from Turkey. Unix, you can do it. I know you can. Start with a game engine. Just pick one. If you're a software developer, then you'll pick it up. Siren, how was your stream? Welcome in. Shout out to Siren. Did you recently change your change the spelling of your username? Was good making oxygen and gravity? Feel free to share. Feel free to share what you're working on. You change your name. Yeah, I'm like, this looks familiar but different. It's like one letter off, right? Wasn't it Serent with a T? I don't know. Maybe I can learn something from you? Maybe. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. Always. Yeah, one letter off. Okay. Also, I was like, I got 3 raids within the first 15 minutes of the stream. And I failed to say, if anybody wants to share anything, you're totally free. Links are okay as long as they're safe for work and appropriate. This is a PG-13 stream. I wanted to just be Syrian, but Twitch said no. Dang. Well, now you can kind of be with the underscore. All right, I think this is all I need to do. And I just need to go through all those items. Oh, you know what? Allow controller outside in. No. So they're all going to default to false, right? Yeah, I want them all to default to false. None of them should work outside the in, except for a select few. Hopefully, I'll have more. Oh, I see. Easier things to show for my game soon. Was just glad to finally raid you. Yes. I was glad to finally get raided by you. I really appreciate it, Aaron. The feels be nice in this world of indie game developers. Yeah, this is the best community. Indie game devs are the best community. Of course, I have questions. For example, where should I start? I know C#. I have a simple game in mind, like Flappy Bird. It's about the country's economy. That does not sound simple. A game about the country's economy. I'm gonna be biased and say if you already know C#, Unity and C#, they go together like peanut butter and jelly. But also Godot, if you know C#, you can use Godot. 2 game engines, totally worth your time. There's a great podcast for beginner game devs called the Game Dev Field Guide, GDFG. That's a good place to get started. I just posted a link to the Discord for GDFG. This is like a beginner game dev Discord. And yeah, and it's also a podcast. Godot C# superior. Wait, you're turning sarcasm on after you said that? Arrow. So rude. Do you have any sample games you've made? I'd like to take a look. I made this game. I made this game for iOS many years ago. I actually first made it in CocoaS 2D, which was a framework for Objective-C to make iPhone games, and then I ported it to Unity a couple of years ago. It took me 9 months to make it the first time, and it took me about a week and a half to port it to Unity from scratch. All I did was take the art assets and I coded it from scratch, and it took me about a week and a half. Pathetic. And that was a week and a half of like part-time work, an hour a day. Yeah, oh my god. Aria. Class dismissed. Professor Tiny Raid happening. Oh my god. Thank you so much for the raid, Arya. How was your stream? Welcome in. Thank you for the raid. Shout out to Arya. Yo, that's raid number 5. You guys are nuts. Make sure to click that follow button. I know Arya does some 3D. Were you doing some Blender today? Did you make good money from this? No, I didn't make any money. I got over 300,000 downloads and I made 200 bucks. I made $200 because I was an idiot. I made that when I was 22 or 24. I made it when I was 24 and I was young and stupid then. I just didn't know how to monetize it. Slowly learning how to make an inventory system in Godot. Nice. Nice. Inventory systems are not easy. I'm literally working with mine right now, trying to refactor it a bit. Inventory systems are not easy. If you have anything you want to share, please drop them links. Welcome in Raiders. If you don't know who I am, my name is Andrew. Working on this game called Alpine Lake. It's a cozy Innkeeper-Sim, life sim game. Kind of like Stardew, kind of like The Sims. Here's the Steam page if you feel like wishlisting it. But yeah, today I'm working on some bugs. And one of the bugs is when you try and use a certain item outside of like your home base, all hell breaks loose. So doing a little refactoring on using items. I know how to use an inventory system, but damn, making one is a whole other world. Yeah. Yeah, definitely. I started with an asset pack, and I've been slowly like picking it apart to have it like, suit my needs. And even starting from like a point in space was hard. Like it might have been harder. I probably should have started from scratch, but it was a good learning experience. Here you go, a little look at what I did today. Nice. So this is what Siren was working on. They raided right before you did. Gravity jetpack test. So we got a first-person game in space. Nice. We got like chibi Halo looking characters. Nice. Ooh, that was cool. Wait, what? Secret hidden space station? This reminds me of Gravity. Or Interstellar. They look like Interstellar a little. Nice. Very cool. Even got the flames. Very cool. Very cool. I keep putting off making one. Yeah, just jump right in. Just do it. A pre-built one. Yes, Spy. I couldn't... It was really hard to find the words to describe a plugin. An asset pack. Oh my god. What the... Yo, Grumble. Wait, is this 6? I don't know. Grumble, welcome in. Grumble, thank you for the raid. I'm gonna have to tackle making a Deus Ex style inventory at some point or another. I don't remember playing that game. I don't remember how that inventory system works. I think I played the demo a long time ago because I remember playing one level for some reason. I went one direction today, and now I'm like, dang, that's not going to work. What if I want to expand on it? So quite a bit of unexpected thinking needed. Yeah. Listen, I'm no expert. I'm no expert, but if you wanted to talk out your strategy, I could find pitfalls in it if I've already been there. Temp ships. Yeah, that's cool. Saren, what's the plan for the whole game? Grumble, welcome in. Yeah, Raider number 6. Shout out to Grumble of Pugs. So here's one link I have handy. If you guys don't know Grumble, Grumble's working on Megabat. Let's watch the trailer. Let me hit him again. Swarm of Weasels, are you winning? I think so. I think we're winning today. I think we won. I just finished doing fan art for an up and coming game. Gonna start building a game now. Yo, TK. Feel free to share the fan art. I wasn't sure if you were getting raids or not, but I thought I'd pile on. Yeah, you think 84 viewers with no raids? What do you think I am? But thank you for the pile on. Everyone check out Megabat. I played it and it's wonderful. Oh, and give it a wish list. Always give everything wish lists. Will there be hats? I think there will be hats. Right? Right, Grumble? Got a raid and run, but good luck with your inventory system. Arya, have a good one. And thank you for the raid. And the follow. I'm a raid magnet. Yeah, today I'm a raid magnet. It's a multiplayer space exploration game, working on dedicated servers later in inventory, as that is needed doing, or that needs doing. Nice. Kind of like No Man's Sky style. Wishlisted Megabat, awesome Dragon Spirit. You can play the demo. Yeah, you can. Grumble, I don't know what you're saying. I'm not even reading that. I'm not going to read that. Yo, I see. How are you? I see. I had 3 tabs open. No, I had 2 tabs open this morning. And each one you popped in and you were like, I have so much energy. I have so much energy. Hello, goodbye. And then you went to the other one. You're like, I have so much energy. Hello, goodbye. With those fox emotes. That was the best. Grumble, also don't forget, I redeemed design a secret level on your stream. I really want to know when we can schedule our design session. That cost me 50,000 channel points, by the way. I'm chaos. Sorry, don't apologize. Can't wait to get back to work on my Garfield Game Boy fan game at some point. Please do. I wish Second Favorite was here. Second Favorite is also making a Garfield fan game. Yo, Ward Stone. Look who it is. It's you. Sometimes you gotta let it out, Icy. Sometimes you just gotta you gotta get it all out. Damn it, you did. Draw it and paste it in Discord. No. This is gonna take multiple days. We need private Zooms. No, kidding. Arya. I don't know exactly how to pronounce your name, so feel free to correct me. I'm gonna call you Arya. And the ad break is just beginning, so I will actually not say anything. Yo, XO. Oops, ads. Okay, I won't greet you then. I take that greeting back. And instead, I'll see if this code works. So I know right off the bat, I broke a bunch of stuff. I know anything that you're allowed to use outside of the inn is broken because everything's set to false. But at least it should stop those crazy lag spikes. Where's the Discord server at? Hasn't the ad break already been? I don't know. It's for me, it's saying there's an ad break. So I'm going to ignore, even though that wasn't ignoring, that was me reading and not ignoring. Okay, interesting. So it's still lagging. It's still lagging, but it's not throwing the errors anymore, which is good. What? No, this is wrong. It shouldn't. Something's wrong. Use equipped item. Print. Equipped item. Location system dot instance dot current location. And then equipped item dot allow. Let's see. Okay. I don't know what's going on here. Ads are over. Welcome back if you're just coming in from the ads. XO, how are you? Icy, I was able to work for a full hour on your own stuff. Nice. Sometimes an hour is good. Sometimes an hour is sad because it's not enough. But if you can just squeeze in an hour where you didn't have one, then that's awesome. It did, in fact, not work. I don't remember what that's from, Weasels. So I also have a 10-second... I have a 10-second memory span. So if it's from more than 10 seconds ago, it's gone. To get errors, I have to purchase the errors DLC. Yes. Back from ads. Welcome back, XO. How are you? I'm excited to see how Next Fest will go for my game. Yes, we're in Next Fest. Hold on. Hold on, everybody. We gotta check this out. So this is XO's game. And oh my god, look at that Next Fest banner. Everyone make sure you wishlist, follow, download the demo. So it's like an escape room where you're in space. Look at that, an escape room about an isolated station in a mysterious, and a mysterious signals emitted by a black hole. There's puzzles. There's cool environments to explore. This was made in Godot, right? One more for Godot, right? My 100th YouTube subscriber, still far from 500, but hey, yo, Dragon Spirit, that's awesome. Gotta start somewhere. Growth also seems to happen exponentially, so that first 100 is really hard to get. All right, this game looks cool. Yeah, it does. I love it. I love the look of the black hole. It's really cool. Please play it during Next Fest. Steam decides what games to show to more people based on people actually playing the demo. Listen, let's just load it up right now then. I'll make sure it's downloaded. I'm not going to actually play it. I'm just going to load it just so Steam knows. And then when it's up and stream's over, it'll remind me to play it. Your DualShock controller isn't supported by this game. Steam input will translate. That's okay. You don't need to do that. Can everyone do this with me? It's very easy. Just download it and load it. Done. Oh, that's nice. All right. How about I'll play it for 5 minutes? How about that? I'll play it for 5 minutes. Why not? All right. Let me deal with the sound. I've never played a game on stream before. But yeah, I have a PC now, so I could do stuff like this. You guys hear it? Is there music right now? I'll keep it at defaults. Okay. But this looks good. This volume looks good. Back. New game. A lot of clicking noises? Yeah. I like this loading bar. Hello. Incoming signal needs 40 PB of space. 40 PB. Oh, that's awesome. Let me scroll up for a sec. Indeed, my latest tutorial video has been gaining a lot more traction compared to others. Not that 380 views is a lot, but usually I get like 8. So when you compare that, no, that is a big deal because it's this growth. So the way YouTube growth is, it's so weird. The more you grow, the more people they show it to. So that's a big bump. That's a big bump. Hopefully the next one is even bigger. Don't you play Alpine Lake on stream all the time now? I guess. I'm on the phone, so I can't right now. Spy. I'm sorry. Wait, what? Can't what? I have to go to bed. Have a good rest of your stream. Grumble! Have a good night. Thank you for the raid. That drive is so tiny. Yeah, it's tiny. Okay. Let's do this. Broken, empty. Okay, empty. I don't have any drives. Unmount broken drive. Take. Mount. Okay. Enter. Oh, wait. I have controls. I have camera controls. Is this like a raid? I don't know how raids work. So I'm technically not sure what I'm doing. I don't have any more drives. Oh. Oh, hey, look at that. A drive underneath. Mount. Oh, hey, look at that. I'm learning. I'm learning. Isn't this great? We did it. Download. Enter. I like that spin up sound effect. Uh-oh. That was 40 petabytes of data? That one voicemail? What's wrong with the future? Oh god, what's happening? What's happening? Need you to fix what? Should I take the drives? In use? I don't know why I want to hit the enter key so bad. You need to fix. Oh. Hello. Okay. Fixed it. Router used for the P-Geist network. Router. That was awesome. That was awesome. I did not realize that I was in a dark room. I thought I was like in some kind of dream world. An empty bottle. So I've watched your stream a couple times, but I really don't know much about the game. Can go through walls, floors, everything. Uh-oh. Can load information about items. Ghost-like. Well, this looks like something I need to take. Another drive? Crumpled piece of paper? I don't need that. Sweet dessert ration? Oh, I really need some sugar. I have a problem, guys. I cannot stop eating sugar. I need help. I'm Spirit, the new expedition leader for Ghost V. It's nice to meet you. Yuri, it's nice to meet you too. You should know this already, but I'm the previous expedition leader. I'll be advising you during your stay here. So if you need anything, let me know. Thank you. How long have you been here? That isn't really the right way to put it. Well, you know what I mean. Special relativity aside. A long time. I'm eager to get back home. The missions are quite long, aren't they? You'll be eager before too long. Or before long, too. What do you mean? The station could use quite a few repairs, but they won't be coming. Can you follow a request? Doesn't work. They always put it off. And we're always looking into the same thing. The question has stayed the same for 5 missions already. You mean whatever or not the signals from the black hole are coming from? Extraterrestrial, intelligent life? Yeah. Actually, you haven't been on a tour yet, have you? No, I just got here. Well, then let me show you just how bad you have it then. Okay, so that's the hard drive that I just put in there, right? That's that data. Okay, so I'm like incredibly intrigued. Does the game save? If I just quit, will it save? Because I do want to pick it back up. Yo, actually, this is really cool. This is really cool. The game autosaves? Okay, cool. Everyone, you should go play. You should go play. I gave it a good intro run, and hopefully everyone's intrigued now. Awesome. Awesome. Yeah, really cool. I haven't played many of those like escape room style games. But I kind of fell in love with Outer Wilds, and I feel like Outer Wilds is an escape room, but it's like an escape universe. It's just info and stuff. It kind of gave me that vibe. Also, let me scroll up. I kind of ignored chat there. I really hope so. Tried to make it a bit more funny this time. Just talking about public versus private variables. People like funny. People definitely like funny. Can't download the no signal game right now? Why not? You can do it. I believe in you. Looking for drives, maybe? Yeah, you were right, Swarm. 10 petabyte drives. This is like trying to put CD on floppies. Not very compressed, is it? No. Wasn't made by an old programmer. They will fight for every single byte. No. Yeah, that was made by some newfangled programmer. Data compression is an ancient technology lost to the sands of time. He did it. Yeah, we did. I kept looking at chat like, are they going to help me? Are they going to help me? Excuse me. Excuse me. No, I got no help, but I did it anyway. We licking ghosts here? Almost. Yo, Beegs! Alpine Lake looking more sci-fi than I remember. Yeah, we were playing Exo's game. Just for a moment. Just give everyone a taste. Because it's Next Fest, and it's important to the algorithm. Oh, wait. You know what? Why did I close it? I should keep it up. Just keep the playtime going. This is the late game portion, yeah. Working on the sequel. Yeah, I like to work backwards. Alpine Space. I'm happy you're intrigued. No, seriously, it's cool. It's cool. I'm gonna keep going with it. Yo, Dragon Spirit, yeah, you should play. You should play this game. The artist for the game likes to say our game is like Outer Wilds. Yeah, I totally got the feeling. Emil, how's it going? Yeah, shout out to Dragon Spirit. Also an indie dev, also playing games. I can't download the no signal. Oh, wait, I have no music. I'm like, why is it so quiet? There we go. Can't download the no signal game because I'm only on my phone right now. I did add it to notes to get it next time on my computer. Nice. What are we helping with? Today, we're working on some bugs. Let's see what's going on with these print statements. Oh, bummer. Swarm got me all excited for Alpine Space. I know. It does sound like a cool idea. Should I just like change all the textures to be moon textures and then put everyone in spacesuits and call it a day? Once a month, I play other indie games. Indie community is so cool. Yeah. Yeah, it is. All right, so I come here, right? Sledgehammer. Allow. False. Wait. Now it's not doing it. Did I just not save? I think I just didn't save the script. I'm an idiot. All right, so that worked. I should see if all the other items work. Oh man. Wait a minute. Consumables. Consumable. Consumable items are all going to need that checkbox. Wait a minute. I don't like this solution anymore. But it might be okay because wait, activate controller on use. Decoration. Oh, okay, use activates controller. That's the missing key here. If use activates controller, then do this check. Then do this. Otherwise, just do it. Okay. There we go. Classic game dev moment, yeah. Just gotta save your files. You made a change while running? I don't think so. I think I just didn't save. All right, so it's a big change what I just did. It's a really big change, but I think it'll be okay. So instead of throwing the event, I just call it directly. All that event did was it just got listened for here and then called this function anyway. It was just like a middleman, which it's not a bad thing to have middlemen event functions, but I just didn't want that right now. Okay. All right, cool. So that's one bug fixed. Thank you, Tuba. What was the rest of your list? You had a long list. Issues. No music. I don't know why. I can't fix that right now. Right-clicking with sledgehammer in town causes lag spike. Fixed. The hardware door can be walked through, thus allowing you to walk through the back walls. What hardware door? What's the hardware door? Oh, quit sizzling. There we go. The door of the hardware store. Huh. Hardware store. You were able to walk through what? So here's the nav mesh for the hardware store. When outside of it. Oh. Oh, I know why. I know why. It's because you were spamming. It's because you were spamming the. So that bug is technically fixed now. Theoretically fixed. It was related to the sledgehammer bug because when you went into the sledgehammer and then the sledgehammer was like, no, you can't be in here. Bounce out. It would rebuild the nav mesh, and the nav mesh should not have been rebuilt. Oh, wait. There's something I wanted to do. Theoretical bug fix for the win, yeah. Don't spam the button bug fix. Yeah. Finn! Finn knows exactly how to fix bugs. Tell the user how to play. Bug fixed. What is up, Finn? I want to give a shout out to Beegs. Beegs. He's our man. If he can't do it, Finn Sifty Cat can. My migration has frozen on file 869. Should I be worried or happy? That sounds terrible. What's your issue right now? I think I saw for a second that you weren't able to launch Unreal. I think I saw in Aaron's chat you say that. It just suddenly skipped 3,000 files. Nice. Speedrun strat. Broken, yeah. Huggin. Thank you for the follow. Welcome in. All right. Developer hotkeys on. Demo mode. We can leave demo mode on. Biggs is my favorite Minecraft streamer from the British Empire. No regex here. No. Biggs is not a Minecraft streamer all the time. Only 40 to 90% of the time. Which one? It's 40 or 90, I forget. Okay, so you know, we can still demolish here, get on the bike, we leave. No, Biggs is not a Minecraft streamer. Wait, what? Null ref? Okay, I broke something. I added some new features to get the ice working, the ice skating working, and it looks like I broke stuff. Set weather. Oh, because this is null. If weather events equals null, turn. Or if it's not null, do it. Also, shout out to Finn. My mod. My first mod. My second mod. Finn's a fantastic Unreal dev. If you like Unreal, follow Finn. If you like dev, follow Finn. If you like watching people like rip Hades to shreds, I was like, yo, you were playing Hades this morning? I was like shocked. You're freaking good at that game. I'm terrible at that. I think I got to the second world once. I got to like where there's lava one time. And then I was like, you know what? I don't want to replay the same thing over and over and over and over and over again and get like one room farther and one room farther and one room farther. So I just gave up. And that was slow. Yeah, you were saying. Did you see my new redeem, Finn? Did you see it? Did you see it yet? Okay, that should be fixed. I've run it in 12 minutes before. Jesus. Chill. Yeah, that one. You got me good. Fin times 5. Oh gosh. What's oh gosh, XO? Really interesting video corruption happened during the lag. Oh, what did it do? Okay, no bugs, no bugs. Change state A. Why? That's a lot of calls to that. So, yeah, you can't run into it anymore. So basically what was happening is that bug was causing the nav mesh to get rebuilt and then basically ignored the hardware store for some reason. I don't know why. Probably because it's static or some bullshit. I need to update the demo. Yeah, this is a big deal. I need to update the demo. Surface change to nav mesh in. Okay, but I'm not redeeming that now because I'm not history's greatest monster like Heather. Oh, you don't have to. I wasn't like goading you to do it. Stop all coroutines. Okay. I wouldn't have put it there if I didn't mind if people redeemed it also. Oh, also in the demo, the collider for that fence is off. Whoops. Okay, so now I'm getting this bug where something else is set to static and it's throwing out error. What is set to static? Oh my god. Uh-oh. 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 We're crashing Unity. I just bank it. I'm like, okay, give me X amount of time or we can refund you. Yeah, that's smart of you. That's nice. I got a screenshot of it, sent it to you in the team Discord. Oh, that's good. That's cool. That's not even a glitch. That's part of the stream. Yeah. Everyone saw this, right? I have a button on my stream deck. I don't have a stream deck. That's ridiculous. I blame Unity. You know what I just realized is that if I should poke a hole out of the pond ice so that you can fish through it. Otherwise, pond fish are not accessible in winter. I guess that's okay. That's okay, right? If pond fish are not accessible, you just got to wait till the next season. I don't know, I'll think about it. I like the idea of poking a hole in the ice. Just looked into the matrix, no big deal. Yeah, you did. All right. Oh, we didn't crash. That's good. I need to find, oh, here it is. Combine mesh root. Oh, these things are still static. That's the problem. I thought I fixed that. Use the sledgehammer to bust a hole through. It's not a bad idea. I should have like some visible cracks, and then when you smash it with like a pickaxe, then you make the hole. That'd be cool. Add an ice pick item and mark spots where you can use it. Yeah, that's not a bad idea. It's not a bad idea. For ice fishing specifically. All right, so hike loop B, load. The problem is I can't have anything static in this game. It's so annoying. I guess it's up to you to ponder. That went from a fake laugh into a real laugh. That was genuine, I promise. It's this one static rock, just the one. Revert, select. Just turn it off in the prefab. Let's turn them all off. Off. There we go. There. No more static things. Who am I banning for that? Oh, I'm not banning X. Pond R-ing. I just audibly groaned. Cheering. No banning for a little bit as a treat. I heard that's a bad idea to do joke bans because Twitch like looks at your ban history and you can be marked as a potential ban evader in other people's channels. So try to not do joke timeouts and joke bans. To be fair, Booya's chat is well behaved. I've only had to ban one person. No, I've never joke banned. No, I wasn't. I don't mean you. I meant like, there's a lot of streamers in chat, and I was just passing the knowledge that joke banning could cause issues for that person later. What is this Oh, this stupid virus. Polymesh brush. Oh my god, they all have polymesh brush. Vert. Are you kidding me? Can I just select them all? And say revert? Wow, Unity, good for you. You kidding me? Gave me like a list and did them all properly? Good for you, Unity. Oh, you jerk. Jerk, Unity, revert. Ah, oh, you jerk, Unity, revert. There we go. Gotta go. Have a nice stream. XO, you have a good one. I wish you the best with Steam. Excuse me, next fest. Pawn jokes is a little fishy. Emil. Don't joke ban him. Real ban him. Get him, Finn. Timeouts are fine. Timeouts don't end up like that because a single second timeout is a way of clearing chat. Oh, is it? I didn't know that. Ads in a minute. Ads in 10 seconds. You can select them all and change them all at once. Yeah, that was nice. I was not expecting that. 17K done. Is that you trying to launch your project? Did you update Unreal? Is that what you're doing? Polymesh brush? Yeah, the polymesh brush is a virus. It's a total virus. These things should probably hide in winter as well, right? Probably. I'm going to put them in the pond decorations group. Non-winter pond decorations. So anything that... So this group hides itself in winter. So anything that's wintertime I can put in there. Add a player name to the game. Poly Mesh Brush. I'm not going to do... I don't do two names, but I'll do Poly. Random name. Do I have a Poly? No. Poly. Okay. That should fix... What? What was I even working on? Where am I? Who am I? I came into this scene to fix, oh, the static rock. Excuse me. No veto there, huh? Yeah, that's a veto. I mean, I vetoed mesh brush. I just didn't say the word veto. Is it the word veto that grinds your gears? Just Polly's good. I didn't know if it was full name or not. Even if it was a full name, I would not have put mesh brush. Real names only, also. Okay, what was the next bug from the list? The next bug is you can select outside of your build area when placing foundation. Yeah, that's a big bug. I don't like that bug. It's an annoying bug. I will fix that bug right now. Unload. It implies we have some say in the matter. Veto. Trust me, I've tried to get... Jesus Christ. Jesus. Finn, can you delete that? It's free real estate. No, it's not free real estate. This real estate costs money. Channel points. Also, welcome all the new Discord members. Good to have you. What time is it? It's 4:47. All right, I'm good. Let's see. How do I fix this bug? I need to give myself some items. Give starter content. So if I click out here, it doesn't actually... Oh, it does. Confirm placement. No. Look at that. That's horrible. This should be an easy fix, actually. I just have a missed validity check somewhere. Build controller. If you can build there for free, though, no, taking it out. Is legal move, is legal location. Get floor position from mouse. Current position equals this. Is legal location. I actually do check that, so I'm not sure why that works. Print. Current position is a I'm an idiot. Current position is a legal position. Oh, wait. I don't like it. Yeah, something funky's going on. I did have a check in there. I did have an is legal location check. Give starter content. Okay, check this out. So the cursor is over here, right? But the mouse is over here. And if I click, well, let me clear this. If I click, it just works. It just works. And it puts the flooring where the mouse is, but it does the check on where the cursor is. Interesting. The answer is no, by the way. I can't delete my own messages. You have to do it. Your mods are supposed to be responsible. How's that working out for you? You got me good. You got me good. I think my mods are doing a fantastic job, by the way. My strategy is to kill them with kindness. I will kill you with kindness. Swarm. 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 Careful. Everyone just be very careful right now. We are in dangerous territory. Okay. So what happens on click? On click, so this just happens every frame. Every single frame I get this position, I get the current position. But on click I do something way different. On click, I say place foundation. And I put that foundation where the focus object is. Where's the... So the focused object must be like way off screen? Emil, thank you for the lurk. It's a reasonable mistake. I have a lot of high quality assets. Unity would die if I tried making our game in it. 19.5K? 19.5K what? Polygons? Oh, migrate. I see. Your Mac would die doing this migration? What about my PC? With no signal being churning. No signal churning. I literally got an SSD temperature warning before. I bet. Yo, this is game dev. Game dev. It's not game dev unless your computer is begging for mercy, says the Unreal Engine artist. I don't know if I buy that. I don't know if I buy it. So focus object. Where does this get set? I set focus object to the position of the floor, and then I only... Oh. It's because if it is a legal position, or even if it's not a legal position, I'm setting current position anyway. If it's not a legal position, I need to do something with current position to not move it. There we go. Yo, Ani, it's not a game dev, and it's not game dev unless your computer is begging for mercy is a metal statement, and I approve. No, but I was being sarcastic. How's it going, Ani? I'm upgrading my CPU though. When we hit the target for the stream PC, I'm putting half again into it and upgrading my CPU. I think I already need to upgrade my CPU. Your old computer is probably more powerful than my current new computer. Finn, thank you for giving Ani a shout out. All right, so what do I do? Why don't I just do this? Only move the current position if it's a legal location. If it's not, then I don't move it. How horrible is this going to go? Let's see. Been lurking while training the cats. What are you training your cats to do? I heard training cats is difficult. Things are going okay here. Fixing some bugs, getting stuff done. I shook my headache from this afternoon. I didn't know you had a headache. Is it from chat harassing you? I don't know about that. A 5900X, is that your GPU or is that your CPU? Or is that your CPU? I think that's what I have, honestly. I think this is a pretty crappy i7. Is this good? Someone tell me if this is good. I don't know. I just bought it. Is it good? This is the manufacturer. Does anybody know? Is this a trustworthy manufacturer? Can anyone tell me if this is a trustworthy manufacturer? What does that say? Nabi Dayaru. Nabi Dayaru. What does that mean? Why is that in phone? I heard it's near impossible. Yeah. I have a medical alert cat, the new trainee, and then a mom and son pair. I train them all the same, but their temperament determines whether it sticks. That sounds difficult. I hope the tasks that you are trying to teach them are at least simple. I can't even read that one? No, I can't read that. I mean, I know this says Sedo Weebu. Sedo Weebu. I don't know. I bought it from Galleria. So what's the consensus? Is this good? CPU 4080, 5900X, 64 gigs. Are you listing your computer? I don't know stuff like this. I usually ask a friend. Someone in chat has to know computers. Somebody. Do you think the migration project will load? Maybe. Try safe mode. Does that say trustworthy PC company in Japanese? Otherwise, I don't know. No pen or brush input? I have a Wacom behind me. I don't have it plugged in though. It's a good PC, thanks. That's all I needed. Jeez, I just want to know I do good. All right. Did we fix the bug? Maybe. Let's try it. Now they're excellent, very well behaved, except when too affectionate. I see. Can you copy the words into chat? I actually couldn't even select it. I can't select it. Oh, copy. Copy. Paste. Let's see what it says. Third wave. Oh, right. That makes sense. Nabi Dairu. Oh, wait. Nabi Dairu. So Nabi is like navigation. Obviously dial. Is Navi Dial a company? I don't know. All right. Weird. TK, thank you for the hydrate. Okay, did we fix bug? And did we introduce new bug? Japanese slang? I don't think so. I can't imagine they put slang in their systems. All right, so if Oh yeah, we definitely broke it. Oh yeah, it's so broken. Ah, so it's way more broken. All right, new plan. New plan. Back out. No. We're gonna leave this out because it worked better out here. And I'm just gonna put a check. One more check. In place foundation. And instead of saying focus object equals current position, I'm gonna say if you can't place or build transform equals null or wait. This is just always. Oh, actually, yeah, or is okay. Or location. Oops. Valid location is legal location. Current position dot position. It's just a vector. Okay. If current position is not a legal location, we return. Does this work? Does this work? Need job coder 123. Welcome in. Hey, I don't know who you are, but your username is awesome. Thank you. Do you need job coder? Because your username is quite specific. Sure, it's not like helpline or something. Yeah, it might be. Thank you for the follow. I believe Nabi Dial was the company that told us how much our phone calls from North America to Japan would cost. That makes some sense. It's a Japanese phone service, I see. There we go. Thank you for looking that up, Swarm. Like Ma Bell, but Asian? What's Ma Bell? Isn't Ma Bell a rapper? I'm a full stack mobile dev. Oh, nice. Well, welcome in. We are working on video game. I'm not a full stack developer though. I'm like a quarter stack developer. There's 3/4 of the stack I just ignore. And I don't know what it does. Bell telephone, you know, like Ma Bell, but the ill. Wait, what? Mr. Muffin Kappa, welcome in. Hi, have you thought about porting your game for Unity 6? I have thought about it actually, and with the new Unity changes, considering it even more. The only problem is I did try and port it to Unity 2022 and it caused issues. One day I'll try going straight to 6 and see what happens. I'm in 2021 right now. 2022, I backed out. It was just not good. It was not good. But maybe 6 fixed those issues? I don't know. Okay, so it's the same behavior. The cursor doesn't exit this zone. And if I click, it still works. Whoa. Okay. This is weird. This is strange. What do we do? This is either going to crash with the same assertion failed, or it'll load and I'll have to fix a bunch of stuff. Yeah, I don't know which is worse. Username does suggest you need a job, but maybe you did when you created the name. Tell me you know the Beastie Boys. Of course I know the Beastie Boys. What was the previous assertion? 100,000 channel point redeemed to force a Unity 6 conversion? Oh, God. Why? I'm going to do it anyway. I'll do it one day. You would be surprised how many companies stayed at 2021. I would not be surprised. That would not surprise me. Oh, right. This is only printing here. Current position is... So let me print this to see what's going on here. So how do you not know ill communication? Yeah, I don't know. I know who the Beastie Boys are. I don't know all their stuff. I needed one before. You should change your username to "Don't worry, I got a job 321." Yeah, but I'd redeem that immediately. Weren't the Beastie Boys invented for Futurama? What? I don't think so. They were around way before Futurama. What? Oh, Andrew, what? Am I missing a joke? Were the Beastie Boys actually invented for Futurama? What are you talking about? Really? No. Get out of here. Delete your messages and get out of here. Look, current position is -9. Yeah, don't allow it. Why is that allowed? They were in an episode of Futurama. Yeah, but Swarm said they were invented for Futurama. What? Am I crazy? I did know about them before the episode aired. Oh, yeah. So what are we talking about here? Is this a miscommunication? Oh, if is legal location. This would only work. This would only work if it was wrong. If it's not a legal location. I'm an idiot. Yes, only fail when failed. It was a joke. You know that I never get it. I never get it. I very rarely get it. I'm just an innocent guy reading chat, believing everything y'all tell me. All right, here we go. It's going to work. Give starter content. And we click and it doesn't work. And we click and it doesn't work. And we click and it works. Yeah, yes. And if I try and do this, it doesn't work. It doesn't work. It doesn't work. It doesn't work. But I go over here. Yes. Problem solved. All right. What's the next bug, Tuba? This whole stream is just fixing your bugs. You can select outside of your in when placing foundation. Done. I misspelled activities on in management screen. Okay. I can fix typos pretty quickly, right? In management screen. Pause. Context. Contents panel. Window in. This is the calendar. Turn off the calendar. Activities. Activities. Nice. Room description panel. That means that was misspelt in a lot of places. Game object? Stats text group. Activity stats group. Stats title. Activities. Bam. Save. Activities. Nice. That was a quick one. I misspelled. Yep. If you're riding the bike when the day ends, the bike is stuck on you and you're permanently riding it the next day. I swear I fixed that. Or it wasn't an issue. One of the two. I swears. Because the day ends when you're riding a bike all the time. All the time. Holy crap, it worked. I'm on Unreal 5.4. Yo, congrats, Finn. Our Say So streamer is too pure for this world? What is Say So? It's stuck on shader 420. This is a sign. What do you mean? I thought it loaded. Little eyes have a tendency to run away when they aren't being watched. Ridiculous. All right. Have the bike. I'll go to another scene. And I'll end the day. Okay, day's over. I'm on the bike. Saving. Day 3. Tinnitus. Focus previous bug, and we're on the bike, and we're broken. I think it's this focus previous this bug that's causing this issue. Okay. Focus previous. Why is it even asking to focus previous? On GUI event. Focus previous. Because I'm asking it to. Okay. Who is asking me to? Minigame system? What is the minigame system doing? End minigame? Why are you ending the minigame? Oh. I know why. I know why. It's because I end the minigame when the day ends now. On the fishing controller specifically. Fishing controller. Ah, I see. End fishing sequence. Okay. Wait. Nah. So start core routine, cancel fishing. On the end of the day, we cancel fishing, but I only want to cancel it if we're actually fishing. I'm such a moron. How did I not have this bug already? How? If active, oops. If not active, just return. That bug's terrible. That's going to cause so many issues. Dale says he wants to stay a few days, and then the next line he wants to stay one night. Okay, that's just like RNG. If you're riding the bike, this proceeding, as long as you play the game. Okay, and then you got a game-breaking bug because of that issue. All right. Big love. Have a great night, Foul. You have a great night. No, you. Did everyone follow Foul? Did everyone make sure to follow Foul? And like not into his bedroom and go to sleep with him like for the night. Just like, on Twitch. On Twitch. Jeez, freaks. Because he's going to bed. And I just mean to follow him on Twitch. He's a great streamer. One of my favorites. No, please don't. Please. Just keep it to Twitch. Why did that happen? The bug is funny because the bike stays with you at all times in the hot tub. Going to bed with the bike use a tool, start walking normally still with the bike. Yeah, it's ridiculous. So it's not really about the bike. It's just that bug puts you in a weird game breaking state. Let's see if that fixed it. Yeah, that was a stupid joke. Sorry, Fal. You have a good night. Ew, streamers. Yeah, streamers are gross. Okay, bike. New scene. And we wait. This has been a very productive stream. I've been busting through these bugs pretty quickly. Too, but these were all really big ones too. The only reason why I'm upset is because half these bugs were new bugs that I introduced from the new version. These weren't like lingering bugs. It's just like new stuff that I made. There we go. We're fixed. Problem solved. But I should check. Oh, I should check to see if it still works correctly if we're fishing. Okay. So I'll go here. And then fishing pole. Griffin Blade, thank you for the follow. Welcome in. Give item. Okay, so the whole reason that line of code existed is so when you are fishing at the end of the day, it cancels fishing. And now I can't even fish. Because this is one of those instances where I need to select the ability to use this item outside your inn. Okay. I knew this day would come. I have to go through every single item and make sure you can use it outside of your inn. I was lurking in your stream and raided in here. Need to go to bed, but I'll keep lurking. Good luck with the bug hunting. Yo, Griffin. I appreciate the lurk and the follow. And have a good night. All right, this is bad. So it's only items that aren't set to avatar, right? So, or maybe no, it's only items that have use activates use activates controller. Okay, that's not so bad. I just did a full 360. Like, this is gonna suck. It's not gonna suck. So you can use the fishing rod outside. I just need to find all items that have use activates controller. And yes, every single one of these pieces of decoration activates the decoration controller, but I don't want them to be used outside the inn, so that's fine. Consumables, nope. Let me just do this. Oh, so what are all these? Build. Yeah. Nope. I think the only one really is the camera. The only one's the camera and the fishing pole. That was it. Camera. Tool, camera. Yes, this one you can use outside of the inn. Who else? Fishing pole, hammer, hammer, hoe, pickaxe, rake, sledgehammer, sponge, watering can, not a thing. The demo, yep, not demolish, okay. Can you automate the item testing with a script? Maybe. I was thinking about recording all my inputs of like a test playthrough and basically playing the game like that to do tests, but I don't know. It seems like a lot of work. I'll just like waste all my time doing it. What's wrong with that? Yeah, camera minigame. I think that's it. I think it's just those two things, and I'll probably get a bug report that something doesn't work, and I'll fix it later. That's how game dev works. All right. Problem fixed. Was that all of them? Was that all your bugs? I'm going to go ahead and say your game-breaking bug was related to the end-of-day error message that was happening. Because that can have a cascading effect of horrible consequences. Booyah indeed. So I started playing Astrobot over the weekend. Has anybody been playing Astrobot? It's incredible. Absolutely incredible. I'm obsessed with it. It's all I want to do. Oh, dang, Basie. Yeah, that's 7 raids today. Get out of here. Basie. Shout out to Basie. How was your stream today? Everyone, if you want to see a game dev that is not working in a game engine, or no, you're working in Bevy. Does Bevy have a UI? I actually don't know anything about Bevy. But if you want to see a game dev working in an alternative, I'm going to call it an alternative game engine, check out Basie. 7, I take it back, unraid, yeah. Yo, Fuzzy. Basie raid. No UI, but still an engine. I mean, yes, it's an engine, but there's no UI. No UI. How's things? Haven't swung by for ages. I haven't actually streamed in ages. I mean, I streamed last week, but I definitely took 3 weeks off. It's been okay. Things are going. Also, Finn, thank you for that giant emote. Grace party. It's a cute one. Ads in a minute, by the way, just so you're well informed. All right. That was all of them. That was all your bugs. Dale says he wants to stay for a few days, but then sometimes he'll want to stay for one night. I think I want Dale to always stay for one night. I want the quest to happen quickly, and I want you to understand the flow of a guest coming and going pretty fast. And then I want to make room for more guests. Because sometimes if Dale sticks around for 3 nights, it's like annoying. You just want to finish that quest and move on with the game. But especially in the demo, you can't, because you only get 7 days. So in that case, is there a way I can tell a guest to have a specific amount of time they stay for? Let's see. NPC. So I already have a guest Dale. Where is it? Stay length, -1. I have a value here. If I say 1. Wait, Stella, where's Stella? So Stella has a stay length of 2. I already wrote this into the damn game. I'm such a moron. If this number is -1, it's a random number between 1 and 3. If this number is not -1, it is that number. So Dale, let's say Dale stays for 2 nights. So it can't be 3, but it's more than 1. That's how numbers work. Guests, like fish, after 3 days start to stink. Basie. API error? You mean me not remembering that I already wrote that? Well, that's a good piece of feedback, Tuba. And that's all your notes. What other notes do I have to fix? therapist was spelled wrong. I fixed it. That one's fine. Can I just say that I have mathematically proven my concept just now? Now I'm dead. What'd you prove? What's next, also? I want to get rid of some of these annoying print statements, that's for sure. Should I do a build and throw this build up on the Steam store? Did you guys hear that our good friend Irish John Games made partner? Shout out to Irish John Games. I'm a block of ice. Is that what you prove? You proved? Proven? Is that what you have proven? Sorry, I'm fixing code somehow compiled. I'm shocked that it compiled. Shocked. You don't just... One does not just upgrade Unreal and have everything work. Oh, right, it didn't work. That's why you're compiling. Okay, that's normal then. I'm removing shit until it fails. It means that it's possible to do what I want to do. It was a lot of effort to get to this point. You're being very mysterious. Hope it's nothing naughty. Is there still music? Yeah, there is. All right. What are we gonna do? Let me check my list. I know you're saying to Finn to version his stuff, but I'm gonna do it too. I'm gonna do a build and push these to Steam. That's a pretty big bug that I need to get fixed. Okay, so first things first, I need to reset the game to be clean of dev mode. I need to turn off any debug stuff. Do I have any debug stuff? I don't think so. No? It's all clean. I don't know how I can phrase it without spilling the beans. All right, don't you worry. You don't need to. You can keep your privacy. I want it to be a bit of a surprise. Well, now I'm scared. Surprises, they scare me. No, it worked, but it's missing some stuff, and that's because the manual migration of source files is definitely pointing to the wrong includes. So I remove the old files until IntelliSense tells me I'm insane, and then I can find the redirectors. Oh God, sounds horrible. Sounds horrible, Finn. Is anything missing from this build that I want to get in? Let me look at my list. Content additions. The buffet table is set to 1 dub. Did I fix that? Buffet table. Item recipe. And now it's set to 1 soft plank. No. We want it set to 3 soft planks and some nails. 3 soft planks and 3 nails. Okay. After recommendation, black screen. Yeah, I don't know. Null ref. Yeah, I don't know. Festival activity or active doesn't stop. Yeah, that's fine. The hotspots suggestion buttons were not synced correctly. I can't recreate that. And make Melissa a shop. Should I? Should I make Melissa a shop? Nah, not yet. Maybe for the full game, but not for the demo. Okay. But I'll leave it here. It's not a bug. It's more of like a NPC. Nah. Quality of life. Nah. Wish list. Nah. Story. Building mechanics. Character customization. NPCs. There we go. Make Melissa a shop. Tuba, I'm going to bed. Good night. Tuba, have a good one. Thank you for all those suggestions. The only thing that didn't work was something pointing to my metahuman. Use metahumans? Is that what you use for your main character? Now I'm going to zap around Twitch a bit. All right, I see. You go zippity zap. I really like some of the quality of life changes in 5.4. Nice. Melissa, the roaming shop building. She runs the diner. I'm trying to decide if she should sell like coffee and tea, so you have a place to get it before you can make it yourself. Otherwise, you know how much work it is to design a unique character. Yeah, of course. Oh, yeah. If I was using Unreal, I'd probably use metahumans. If I was making a game like yours, I'd probably also use metahumans. I've used it for work. It's freaking crazy. Although the metahumans always look best in metahumans. Once you take them out of metahumans and like put them in game or like bring them into Maya or something, they just fall apart. You can see all the shader tricks they're doing, and those do not exist outside of the context. All right, what's next? I got to think of something to do. Yeah, do the build. There's nothing left. There's nothing else to do. We're going to do a build. First things first. Change the version number. Then close Unity. Close Visual Studio. Close Unity Hub. And then do a push. CD. Look at changes. Push changes. What do we do? We fixed stuff specifically. I don't know, whatever. Is that it? Get push. No Pokemon Lullaby. All right, we're good. Now reopen Unity. Did I break anything else? I don't think so. I think we're good. I should run back to the pond one more time to see if some static object was left static. Okay. Do build. I'm just going to build first, test later. Mac. AL. 2.13? Is that what I did? Is that what I got? I think so. Yeah. All right, y'all. I'm not going to make you sit here and watch me do these builds. I think we're going to raid out. Where should we go? Where haven't we been in a while? Wait a minute. Someone's back from a long break. Someone's back from a long break. Is it bedtime? I'm sleepy. Yeah, it's bedtime. No, I gotta go to dinner. It's my wife's birthday today, and we have dinner reservations in 2.5 hours. I'm starving already. Same here. Yeah, you probably all need to go to bed. I'm just starting my night. Happy birthday, Mrs. Booyah. Thank you. Yeah, hopefully it's nice. Made a fancy reservation. Fancy restaurant. If anybody wants to play one round of Rocket League, I am open to that. Before I go. Raise your hands, either against me or with me. Thank you, Spy. All right, this build's done. Change to Windows. All right, let's wrap it up. Let's raid our friend Red Cabin Games. I haven't seen him on in a bit, so I'm happy to see him again. Right? Is that where we're going? Yeah. Yeah, that's where we're going. Yo, Finn! Finn! What? Mrs. Booyah! That's ridiculous. Can't believe you found that. Ridiculous. You're ridiculous. Thank you for the sub. To Mrs. Booyah. Let's do some credits. All right, everybody. I had a good time today. Yo, this is the most. All right, new record for raids. New raid record. Holy crap. And new followers. Griffin, Need Job, Huggin, Aria, Unix, Ski Pays, Fresh Boy, Kara, Steal Your Shoes, and Ligurda. Thank you for the follows. Mrs. Booyah, thank you for the sub. Computer and Finn, thank you for keeping us safe. And Aaron, Val, Grumble, Coding Restricted, Arya, Siren Dev, and Basie. Holy crap. That's a lot of raids. I really appreciate it. Everybody, if you want to do me a favor, feel free to give Alpine Lake a wish list. Feel free to play the demo. No pressure. I'll be back tomorrow. I'm here every day around this time. Usually I go a little longer, but since I'm going out later, I'm just going to wrap it up and kind of get ready to go out. Do that man a solid. Yeah, do me a solid. And if you do play the demo, make sure to leave a review. If you would be so kind. So let's go raid Red Cabin Games. Red Cabin Games is a good buddy. Also, Unity Dev making a like a space shooter roguelike, like a top-down twin stick. Is it twin stick? Not really. It's a top-down space shooting roguelike. It's fun. And we'll exit with the Wii music. The Wii Sports music. All right. Have a good rest of your whatever. Day, night, afternoon. I'll see you next time. Later.